What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, guys. So today I'm going to be sharing my 2024 blueprint for day trading and swing trading, the Fibonacci, and it's a highly requested video, so strap in your seatbelts. So what I'm going to be doing for the 2024 is only trading the 618 pullback because that's a 62% discount. I'm going to be doing it day trading and I'm going to be doing it swing trading with options. And in both cases, I'll be using futures as well. Okay, I'm not going to be using shares, only options or futures. So let's start off and let's talk about the day trading strategy. So this is a real example that I did today, $1,586.52 in profit. So we got long at 1046 and sold at 1210. So the basic strategy here, guys, is sit on your hands for 15 to 30 minutes at the open and determine the direction on the day. So we can see clearly today we had a push to the upside and I'm waiting for that pullback. I will not chase because I don't want to blow up my account. I want to get a deal, 62%. I'm going to hop into the Discord real quick and I'll show you. So if you're struggling with drawing the legs, that's the whole point of a community. That's the whole point of a Discord. So in here, guys, you can see we go step by step and we draw out the legs for new traders that need to learn how to do that. That's the only hard part. Once you draw it a few times, you'll get used to it. And then I also have the Fibonacci bot, which calls out the fills and the targets. So it's one trade a day. Okay, and we're also looking at potentially removing some days that are not as profitable. So maybe Wednesdays or Tuesdays, it seems to not be as profitable as other days of the week. So those are things that I'm going to be adding to my tracker as well. Okay, so let's go to the tracker here and let's talk about the basic. So the goal for 2024 at a minimum is $50,000 in trading profits. That's my minimum goal. I'm really trying to get to $200,000 plus. And the setup, again, entry on the 618 with a stop loss at the 90 or the swing low / high. Either one is okay. On average, they kind of even out. There's a slight edge with the 90, but that not always true depending on the month. Target 4R for my intraday, 6R for my swings, and I'm going to actively manage these trades to protect my profits. Okay, so you can see the parameters here. I want to be on this side of the risk to reward table. Ideally, my average winner is 4 to 5 to 6 times. It's not always going to be like that, but you can clearly see here out of 100 trades, if I take the 4R, I only need a 21% win rate. And the goal is to find a balance and to just manage where I can. And on average, I'm looking about 175 day trades and 50 swing trades. So that's the goal next year. So if you're not comfortable taking that much day trades, you can definitely just stick on the swing or vice versa. All right, so let's continue here. So from there, from the swing trade perspective, guys, all I'm doing is I'm looking for stocks like Tesla, different stocks. You could see here, I did options and SPY as well as Tesla. I sold these last week for about $2,000 in profits, but it's the same plan. We have a push up, pull back. 618 is where I enter and I'm looking for a new high. That's all I'm doing. And it's the same thing for the short. So if I draw the short here from high to low, you can see a 618 rejection over here. So it'll be high to low like this, pull back, extension. Okay, that's it. So the basic plan here is to keep the trading exactly the same, whether you're day trading or swing trading with SPY, with whatever you're using. You can use this on anything. You can use it on Bitcoin, whatever you want. Okay, but the goal is to always make sure you're getting a deal. Okay, leave a comment below if you want access to this planner that I created in Excel. And if enough people want it, I'll upload it onto my website. I am also doing lifetime giveaways almost every week. So please show your support, comment, like, and subscribe. And if you want to follow along in the journey and you want to be a part of the community and get those alerts and everything, guys, check me out at tradingwars.com. So I'm doing a pretty sweet holiday sale. For $100, you're going to get lifetime access to the swing room where we look at Tesla and different stocks like that. Follow the journey, guys. It comes with this book, $16,000 in profits, follows the journey of the fibs, and has my broker statements and also my charts. So you can see plus some recordings. If you want the day trading package and you want everything I've ever done, all 4 of my books plus one-on-one training with me and some seminars and everything like that, I normally do this bundle deal for 4 months of access into the day trading room, but I'm going to bump it up to 1 year, all right, to really get you guys motivated to the 2024 plan. So let me summarize one more time. 618 pullbacks only, about 150 to 200 day trades, 50 swing trades, could be less than that, okay? But I'm just trying to set the tone. And 3 to 4R plus, that will give me only about a 20% plus win rate in order to make some profits. Minimum $50,000 is the goal next year. Come and join the journey. Check me out, tradingwars.com. Thanks for your time, guys. Take care.